Here's a challenge. Write in your own lyrics and I'll repost my favorite one, the takedown edition for you. Who are you?
Drunklavius Thompson.
Oh, you're new.
No, I've been here for 5 years. I got help.
Now get out of my way.
Oh no, you stinky monkey! You jerk!
What did you just say?
You think like a TV ripoff of Kid Pod?
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh yes, I did, alright.
Take that back.
I'd rather die. No,
Who
thank
the
you.
hell do you think you are?
Your mother. Yeah. Why are you looking at me like that? You got a massive shit coming out your ass or something? Why are you looking at me like that?
Touche.
Okay, touche. My name is Drunklavius Thompson, like I said before.